O tu jet rid of a runinose. Runinose a relevé à beauté. Riati article to lire no tu trea temporary runinose en prevent a bloodinose. If you are experiencing the symptom in addition to your runinose, like FV, Coug, en or sortra, or if you have a chronic runinose, tense your doctor to treat the underlying medical cause. Determine the reason why you have a runinose to get the most effective treatment. If you understand why your nose is leaky you can see your response for effective treatment. Basic cause of runinose, en potential cure, include allergie, taquant ovete cointé antihistamine. Cold bar oblique sickness, manage symptom with steam and congestant. Sa doctor if symptom worsen or last longer en 48 tours. Clogging, blow your nose entry en clear irritant. Stress bar oblique life style choice, jet plenty of sleep en relax for a night. Manage symptom until gone. Clean out your nose regularly. When your nose is runny, blow it through. The best way to handle a runny nose is to remove the fluid. If you don't know manage to jet irritant out of your nostril, try an antipode, the toilet below, or the nasal irrigation product. Gently massage your nose, between your eye, en airlobe to ease the sinus pressure. To the point on your body can buzz to relax your sinus, helping slow down the flow of a runny nose. Apply light pressure to a nostril, closing and opening them slowly. Then rub above your eye on your earlobe to complete the technique. You can use a washcloth soaked in warm water for even better reçu. Use steam to ease discomfort. The will produce the mucus that produced by runny nose. You can also take a hot shower or bath, turn on a humidifié, or l'enlever à peau bar oblique bowl of hot water. Add de eucalyptusol, camphor spirit, peppermintol or soda for en extra kick. Tri médication en supplément to furte manage symptômes. There are a variety of prescription of it cointe spray, pill, en cream to help manage your runny nose, including nasal spray, preferably those containing olopatadine, prescription only. Vapor rubbant topical de congestant. Magnésium, 400 mg, en or zinc, 15 mg, supplément quand help open pure cell en nasal passageway. Apply pressure. Press down 10 time on the corner of your nose, pressure very gently to keep your nose from getting worse. It believe at pressure point quand help alleviate sinus congestion en idacheta resul from cold en allergie. Your nose should be almost closed at you apply pressure to area. Repea on area just above your eye, applying mi pressure. Repea time on the side of your face. Irrigate. Use salt water to flush out the nasal passage, from mucus en ôter débris. You can use a syringe, ne typo, or te product de aligné for nasal irrigation. The first thing to stop or prevent a runny nose to irrigate en remove pollen, dust or pus from nasal passage. Use distilled water with an typo en sinus rinse ta en h salt water in on nostril en it come out to te nostril. Rince approximately 240 ml of distilled water with mixed salt and baking soda to pH balance for comfort. Runny nose can irritate mucus en cause a bloody nose. Rince can dry out mucus en might lead to epistaxis, bloody nose. To moisturize the nose, a half teaspoon of glycerin 99.5% anhydride from the first aid department of a pharmacy can also bade to the nasal rinçant. Glycerin y moisturizing en forme barrier so pollen and dust will no come in contact with mucous membrane. A salt water nasal rinse also help bloody nose to stop bleeding. Be careful not to inhale water. Blow your nose. Runny nose resul when you have excess mucus en fluid buildup in your nose entra. The best way to treat a runny nose is to jet excess fluid out. Blow your nose gently, using a soft tissue to avoid skin irritation. Don't blow too often, it could cause skin burning or redness. Apply a warm compress. Soak and oil in hot water en place it on your face. Tiwil el palleviat sinus pressure en open upte nasal passage. Rolt picinto atinibal. It should be about size of your nostril. Gently plast tissu ainsi de your nostril. Ropea ontotecide, usine tote half of the tissu. Relaxant breat normally. Tissu will help absorb some of the fluid coming out of your nose with you having to constantly blow. Breat through your mouth if you are having sujeting on nougat. Rub a small amount underneath your nose. You can also apply the Vic to your chest area. Take deep inhalation, and your runny nose should begin in no time. The method also helps get rid of a stuffy or congested nose. Jet a big bowl, and boil some water. When you jet the boiled water into the bowl, puis you read in the bowl, just don't touch the water, and puis a towel over your head. Home remedy include breathing steam bath of eucalyptusol, camphor spirit, or peppermintol. Puis you read under the towel for about 2-3 minutes. Prescription médication. Options include olopatadine nasal spray en ipratropium nasal spray. Olopatadine y a mast cell stabilisant antihistamine at H1 receptor. Ipratropium bromide en anticholinergique agent chemically similar to atropine. Ipratropium bromide a lombine used à en inhaler tout real inc disant it was serendipitously found to cause dry nose. Irrigatant à l'eau time for nasal passage to dry, usually 15 minutes, before using medicated nasal spray. Trimagnésium en zinc pile. Magnésium 400 mg supplément oral pile quand et le blood vessel dilatant restore blood vessel responsiveness int muco producing blanc. Oral zinc 15 mg supplément quand also benefit intracellular pathway à cause secretion leak muco. Identify the cause of your runny nose. Traran B of potential cause, including common cold, flu, allergie, cold évité, stress, exposure to tobacco smoke, chickenpox, and whooping cough. If you are experiencing the symptoms in addition to a runny nose, like a fever or sore throat, then see your doctor to determine whether you have a bacterial or viral infection to require medical treatment. Common cold usually go away on their own, but should be treated with fluid like water and fruit juice, low of rest, en soothing food like soup. Avoid nasal irritant. Runny nose can be caused by allergy to pollen, pee, latex, dust mite, and food. If you are in constant contact with an animal, plant, or material that you are allergic to, you will probably experience runny nose often. If you live with a pet that you are allergic to, you should consider getting rid of the pet, moving, or taking allergy medication. Thoroughly clean your home to remove dust mite, and stay away from food and plant that you are allergic to. Runny nose can also be caused by excessively dry or cold weather. Try using a humidifier to restore some of the moisture in the air in your home. Humidify air and warm the air to keep nasal passage comfortable. Dry cold air can insult mucomembrane and cause rhinite. Dry nasal passage can become irritated and will be more likely to become infected and